clear waters, mountains standing tall. Nature's playground, hear the wild birds call. Step by step, we're getting closer now to the thrill of Kawasan somehow. Hold on tight, let your worries go. Follow the river where the cool waters flow. Every jump, every splash, every smile we share. This is the kind of freedom found nowhere.